Not everyone is cut out for a career. Suppose everyone wanted a career, a shot at the corner office, law firm partnership, to be an investment banker, or to be a sales executive, with everyone earning generous compensation plus stock options. Well, that's impossible. We wouldn't have an economy without laborers and artisans, factory workers, retail sales associates, and others. Our economy depends on people who want careers and those who find great satisfaction in having a job. There's happiness and satisfaction to be found at all levels of the workforce. But what if you're in a job and you're just paying bills until you die? Full stop. That's a terrible fate that does not have to fall on your shoulders. You have one shot at life. When was the last time you did work that made you happy?